Hey there, welcome back. So today we will check out the categorization of nested class. Now if we check the category of nested class, these are divided majorly into two categories: static nested class and non-static nested class. Now there is no further categorization in the static nested class branch, and what is static nested class is something which we will check in our later down the line videos. Alright, so now let us check non-static nested class. Now if we check this category, there are three elements in this category. These are member inner class, local inner class, and anonymous inner class. Member inner class is something which we have already checked in our last video. The title of the video is inner class. Now what is a member inner class? Where we have non-static class inside a non-static class. Pretty simple, right? Now moving forward, we will also check local inner class in our forthcoming videos. Now local inner class is a class which is inside a scope of a block. Now this code block could be a method as well. So how we will deal with a local inner class is something which we will check in our later video. As the name suggests, local inner class has a scope limited to that code block only. Then finally, moving forward, we have the anonymous inner class. Now anonymous inner class is a nameless class inside a class. As the name suggests, there is no name to this class. It is anonymous, and as there is no name to the inner class, we can only use it once in the lifetime. So it is again a property of anonymous inner class. Definitely we will check and demonstration of anonymous inner class as well in this course. Now finally, the non-static nested class branch is known as inner class branch, and as far as my knowledge is concerned, this is due to because the instance of a non-static inner class contains an instance of an inner class. Let me repeat it once again. This branch is known as inner class majorly due to the fact that there is an instance inside an instance. Now when it comes to static nested class, no static class needs to be accessed using a object or an instance, and we can directly access the elements inside a static class. So how static works is something which we will check later down the line before checking out static nested class. So don't worry, we will get it covered. Alright, so this is all about today's video. Thanks for watching. Take care.